We do have Adam Meehan. He's in buggy number 3, sponsored by Meehan's Garage and Trucking, along with LCG Contracting and Goobs Custom Metal. Everybody watch YouTube and Netflix and all that, like TikTok. I think Ginger Billy's in the house. No, it's not Ginger Billy? I don't get his autograph. Ah, shucks. All that horsepower underneath this bad boy here. Number 3, Adam Meehan on the track, locking down his second run. Gonna be a first time though. We gave him a freebie pass on his first run. Oh, look at that, getting that little drift in there going.